Okay, hey guys, this is the Ember 2 review. I just did an unboxing video. You can check that out if you want, or please check it out. Yeah, pretty much this is, I think you could long the antenna. I think this one was cut for some reason. But I'm just going to point it up a little bit, like there. This is really good plane. You can fly it slow. You could, if you tilt the rudder down a little bit, why would you? Oh my gosh, my cat is playing with the box, look. That it came in. Alright, sorry, he's bugging me. See, you could tell that the engine's pointed down is because it flies like this. So you could, a new thing that I found out, you could invert flight, which means fly upside down. But I think you need to give it full, elevator down, because invert flight, and this is creating lift right here. See how it's curved? And it's cupped out. So if you really want to get in technical stuff, just look it up yourself. I know this is not the cheapest of all planes. I got mine around 80 to 100 bucks. Or you could get them. I got mine for about 60 bucks. So, I like this. I know you could buy, like, the motor mount, because if you crash it like this, I know the rod right there is easy to break, so, yeah, you could do loops or whatever. This is really fun playing. It's for beginners. I'm not that big of a beginner, but this is, my dad has this plane, so it's really fun to fly. I noticed that, so I'm like, alright, so I gotta get it myself one day. And then, I finally got it. I got the Ember 2 instead of the Ember 1. You can make it yourself, but you'd have to buy all the parts. You have to buy the wing, the tail, all the rods for the servos, the motor mount, the motor, the batteries, the fuselage, and the motherboard. I think you can get the motherboard. I know you can't get it off eBay, but Amazon, you can pretty much get everything off of Amazon right then and there. But yeah, pretty much Amazon. You can buy the wing, you can buy the landing gear, you can buy the motor mount, you can buy the fuselage, and the fuselage is like 20 bucks or whatever, and then the motherboard or whatever with the servos on it and everything is like 60 bucks. And then with the fuselage and the motor, what I recommend, because motor is the motherboard is a little bit weird. So yeah, this is the controller. It's pretty simple. It doesn't use infrared, which is kind of cool. So yeah, it can't really cut out if you put your hand in front of it or anything. So yeah, I recommend, because it only comes with one battery. It comes with atomic battery. It's a little tiny connector. It comes with Velcro on it, or it doesn't come with Velcro on it. You gotta put it on yourself, because the battery can't stand there without Velcro. So I know I'm gonna do a flight video. I don't know if I can do it today because it's a little bit gloomy out today, a little bit windy outside. So that was my window, by the way. So it's really good flying. This foam right here is a little bit damaged, but I know if you buy this plane, immediately buy the tail, because you will break the tail easily. If you break like the rudder, like right here or somewhere up here, just use regular Scotch tape. Scotch tape works fine. Yeah, so buy batteries, buy the tail immediately, like, unless you just want to fly with one battery, a battery, because I'm still charging this one from my unboxing video, which was, so that one's still charging by the red light. That's one of them. I have my other one in here, and I have bought 3 of the Park Zone ones. Park Zone are okay. Park Zone is the one who made this and the P-51. But I also bought a new wing, just in case if I tilt it and just break off the wing, like right here. I also bought a new propeller. So the propeller's up to you, because if you if you're not willing to go in and buy it from Ultimate Hobbies, you gotta go like buy off a line, and off a line it takes about like a week or two, so you can't fly your plane without a week or two. So that's why I just bought the wing, the tail, and the propeller all at the same time. So pretty much I could right now just throw this plane and it'll float down, but I'm not going to because it might crash into something. See, this foam right here is a little bit damaged, but it's alright. It's okay. My dad, he crashed and cracked the wing like right here. Put some Scotch tape on it. He flew it around for another couple hours. Each battery lasts about 10 hours, or not 10 hours, but 10 minutes about a flight. Takes about 15 to 20 minute charge. I recommend if you're, because I'm probably just gonna go to my cul-de-sac. My cul-de-sac's pretty good, like big for flying. So I'm probably just gonna go fly that out there. So yeah, so if you're gonna go to like a big park, I wouldn't just bring this one because it only charges one. There's one that you could buy with it could charge 4 up to a time. Plus you could plug it into the wall, or you could just put batteries in it. This one has 4. I'm gonna change those because those are disposable, and probably in the controller too, just in case the controller goes all weird, and then the plane will go all weird, and I don't want to break anything because my wings or anything hasn't arrived yet. So that's my review and recommendations, and it's just a really good, fun plane for beginners. It's not that cheap or expensive. I told you about that. So have fun with it. Bye.